Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So we are back with another wig install. This wig is from Alipop Hair. This is their Airy Wig Cap Water Wave 13x4 lace front wig with the transparent glueless lace. I did do this install without doing any type of baby hairs. You guys know I love doing wig installs with no baby hairs whatsoever. So I'm going to show you exactly how I did that in today's tutorial. So really quick, I'm just going to give you guys a full unboxing just to show you everything that came along with the wig in itself. But here is the wig right here. Again, this wig is from Alipop Hair. Now I do have this wig in 24 inches and it is a water wave texture. I will definitely be giving you guys a close-up of that lace as well. Now remember, the lace is a transparent lace, so technically it will look a little white when you first receive it. However, adding some makeup to it and it'll definitely blend in with your skin color. That's the beauty of transparent laces. You could tint it to whichever you need it to be, and also that lace does come pre-plucked for you. Inside the wig you have the combs, the adjustable straps at the bottom, but you also have that little bit of breathing space inside the wig cap as well. That allows your scalp to breathe and feel so much more comfortable. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started with this install. So you guys know, of course, I washed and bleached the knots off camera. And the first thing that you want to do is adjust the wig cap and just make sure everything is looking right. Make sure the wig is fitting correctly. And I also like to really see what that hairline will be looking like before I cut off all the additional lace. Alright, so all of that additional lace is gone. So once again, I'm just making sure that it's looking pretty natural, like similar to my natural hairline. Whenever you cut off the additional lace, you want to basically just cut along the hairline of the wig. You don't want to cut off any additional hair or anything like that. So right now I'm going to secure the lace and I'm just going in with some even melting spray. I wait until that melting spray gets tacky, then I lay the lace down. Okay, lace is officially secure, so right now I'm just looking to see what it looks like, making sure I do not have to change anything, but it was looking pretty good. So I decided to go ahead and add some makeup onto that lace because remember I told you guys earlier that lace is a transparent lace and it was looking pretty white, especially on camera. So adding some foundation to your lace, or you can even do this before you lay your wig down in general, but I like to just really just add makeup wherever I technically need it. So adding some foundation to your lace will help it blend in with your skin color a lot more. Alright, so the install is technically finished, so let's go ahead and style the rest of the hair. Now, I decided to go in with a simple middle part today because that's how I like to style all my curly wigs, to be honest. So the first thing that I will be doing is using my wax stick and my hot comb. You guys know this is something I love to do, and I'm really just making sure that the top of that wig lays flat. I'm also going to add some makeup to that middle part as well. Alright, so this side is officially flat. I did forget to tell you guys that I did do additional plucking on the lace as well. I don't think I mentioned that earlier, so just so you guys know, the lace does come pre-plucked, but I did pluck it just a little bit more. So that is what the flat side looks like versus the other side. I really wanted to show you guys the difference. You guys could see how it was a lot more bulkier on that one side. So right now I'm just adding some makeup to my lace, and then when it comes to styling the rest of the wig, it was pretty simple, but I do want to talk to you guys a little bit more about the hair in itself once we get to that part. Okay, so I did one side off camera, and styling this is really simple. So I'm going to show you guys what I did on the other side. So I'm using some water. I'm going to basically not drench the hair, but I'm going to dampen the hair and then finger detangle. And I think I also went in with a Denman brush and I added a little bit of mousse. That is literally all I did for this wig. Water wave wigs are so simple and so easy to take care of, and so simple and easy to style. So if you are looking for a nice curly wig, but you don't want the hassle of styling it and detangling and all that stuff, water wave wigs are a really good option for you. Now, as far as the quality of the hair in itself, I definitely did not have any issues when it came to the quality of the hair. It did not give me excessive shedding or anything like that. The only thing that I like to tell you guys whenever it comes to curly wigs in general is to just make sure that you are being gentle with the hair, no matter the curl pattern, because curls tend to tangle very easily. So you just want to make sure that you are being gentle with the hair, especially when it comes to detangling. Please make sure you are using water to detangle your hair. But after I finished styling and everything, that's it. Like, that's all I had to do. I didn't have no additional work to do. And as far as the final look, obviously it was giving effortless, and the no baby hair look makes it look a whole lot more natural, at least in my personal opinion. I will do baby hairs if I have to, but you guys know me, I prefer no baby hairs, so I feel like this lace complemented that extremely well. I will have the direct link to this hair listed at the very top of the description box, so make sure you guys go ahead and you check out Alipop, and thank you for tuning into today's video. I will see you guys next time.